Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to enable Google Chat in Gmail. To turn on Google Chat, what you need to do is go to your Gmail account, and then in the top right, hit the cog settings button, and then the quick settings menu is going to appear. Go ahead and select see all settings to go to the main settings menu, and then under the main settings, make your way over to the chat and meet tab. And then here you can select Google Chat. Under chat, just go ahead and select Google Chat, turn it on. Now, once you save the changes, it's going to bring you back to your main Gmail page. And now you can see over here that chat has been enabled and you can start a chat. Now, for whatever reason, this doesn't appear until you enable it. But if you want to change your chat settings, what you can do is go back to the settings menu. So go and select the cog, go back to see all settings, back to chat and meet tab. And now there's going to be a chat settings option for you to mess with. If you want to manage your chat settings, just go back here and then manage your chat settings. And you can turn on chat notifications or turn them off. You can turn on or off chat bubbles, full screen or not, as well as some do not disturb schedules. And that is how you turn on and off and mess with some settings with chat in Gmail. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe. I hope to see you all in future quick videos.